to the lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the machine vision and its applications. So let us discuss about what is the machine vision and what is the vision of a human. As we know, vision of a human is nothing but the inception on what the human observes on seeing an object or a material. So what is the process? Like what is the machine vision process is? Human vision is a remarkable biological process that begins with the eyes capturing the light. The cornea, pupil, and the lens focus on the light onto a retina where specialized cells, that is cones and rods, detect and convert it into an electrical signals. These signals travel through the optic nerves to the brain, forming a visual perception. So as I told earlier, it is a perception that what a human observes on seeing an object or a material. So adaptability. Human vision is highly adaptable and efficient. It excels at recognition pattern even in the complex scenes or varying lighting conditions. Qualitative interpretation. Our visual system interprets complex information quantitatively, allowing us to perceive depth, color, and contrast effortlessly. So these are the three major things our human eye does it precisely. Next, computer vision. Coming to that. So what is computer vision is refers to a field of artificial intelligence that enables machine to interpret visual data. It equips computers visual with the ability to see, analyze, and understand images and videos. So image analysis. So first step is image analysis. So what is it? Is nothing but computer vision algorithms can detect the pattern, recognize the objects, and extract the meaningful features from the visual input. Next one is object tracking. They track moving objects across the frames into the visual or the real-time streams. Next one is image classification. By assigning labels to images, computer vision systems can identify whether an image contains a cat or a cat car or a cat cap, a cup or coffee, etc. So we have to differentiate the categories. Next is image segmentation. So this technique divides an image into meaningful segments such as identifying individual objects within the scene. So these are the types of how a computer gets an image and what are the types of analyzing and what are the steps and what are the techniques we have. Next one is illumination techniques in computer vision. So what is this illumination technique? First of all, backlighting. So backlighting is basically creates dark silhouettes of objects against the bright background. What is this purpose is inspecting transparent or translucent objects, detecting defects and emphasizing contrast. Diffuse lighting, there is full bright field. Description is nothing but provides even and multi-directional illumination. What is the advantage of having a backlighting and diffuse lighting? Is the major advantage, it minimizes the shadows and the reflections. And next one is idle form. So what is its idle form is nothing but sample with mixed reflectivity and shiny surfaces. So illumination is nothing but how the brightness or color is adjust. This is the lightning techniques. And next one is directional, that is partial bright field. Description is nothing but it focuses on a specific area of interest, and what is its effect is creates shadows and highlights, emphasizing textures and surface features. It is useful for revealing fine details and surface irregularities. And next one is dark field lighting. It illuminates objects from the oblique angles. Result is objects appear bright against the dark background, effective for detecting scratches, cracks, and surface defects. So these are the lightning techniques. Lightning techniques is nothing but we have an editing option in our image, right? We have brightness, contrast, and saturation editing points. So these are the basic lightning techniques we have in our image processing. And next one is image acquisition. So before getting into an image acquisition is how we uh, the process of capturing the visual image of a material object. So before getting into it, we have to make clear of these techniques, so that after getting the image we will have a refining techniques involved. So in the next section we will discuss about the image acquisition technique.